How to add an old film effect into your video in Premiere Pro. This effect is one of my favorites, and there are many ways on how to implement it. The simplest and quickest way, in my opinion, is to download a free green screen stock of this effect online and drag it on top of your clip. Expand it so it covers your entire screen. Now go to the Effects menu and search Ultra key. Apply this effect to the green screen footage, and then in the Effect controls, scroll down and press this icon. Make sure to hit the green color on your footage like this, and this will remove the green screen. Now let's take a look. If you think it's too much, you can lower the opacity of the old film overlay a bit. To add sauce to the mixture, select your original video and go to Lumetri Color. Change the saturation to 0, and now you will have a nice old film effect in black and white. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also check out these other videos.